Intro music with RoamTips.com logo. Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're diving into something a lot of you have asked about: how to watch Canadian Netflix on your Mac. It's easier than you think, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Just a heads up, this is based on my own personal experience, and things might change, so always double check. Also, all the links I mention will be in the description box below. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more travel and tech tips. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a VPN. Screen recording begins. To get started, open your web browser and search for a VPN. In this example, we'll be using IPVanish. You can find a link in the description or pinned comment for a special discount. To download, hover over Apps in the top navigation and click Mac. On the download page, click Download App. Choose where to save the installer. I'm saving it to my desktop. Once downloaded, open the installer. Drag and drop the IPVanish logo into the Applications folder. It might take a few seconds to install. After installation, you can close the installer and even delete it from your Mac if you want. Now, let's open IPVanish. I'm opening it through Launchpad. Since it's the first time, click Open when prompted. You'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, use the link in the description or pinned comment for a sweet discount on IPVanish. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a VPN configuration. Click Allow. Now you can use the VPN as normal, but we're aiming for Canadian Netflix. Open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign in and choose a profile. I've noticed this works more reliably on Google Chrome than Safari, so I'm using Chrome.
Minimize the browser. Now, open IPVanish.
Click Locations on the left-hand menu. Find a Canadian server. You'll usually see a few options. Choose the one closest to you or with the least load. I'm choosing Montreal. After a few seconds, you'll be connected to a Canadian server and browsing as if you're in Canada.
Minimize IPVanish.
Go back to your Netflix webpage and refresh it. After refreshing, you should now be browsing the Canadian version of Netflix. You'll see Top 10 TV programs in Canada today, or something similar. Just select the TV show or movie you want and start watching.
Screen recording ends.
And that's it.
Super easy, right?
Remember to use the link in the description or pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on IPVanish. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.
Outro musique with RoamTip.com logo and social media links.